Hi, welcome back to Motech. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. In this week's vlog, we finish a stunning Mark 8 GTI. It is amazing looking. And we also add white wheels to our M2.
So it's been a busy week here in the detailing bay. We've not only had this Porsche 992 behind me detailed, but we've also had Jay's bike in for a little bit of a spruce up, especially on the blacks. Again, we've gone around the Porsche 992 with an enhancement detail, Cristom Ultra and Exo V5, and the bike has also had, like I said, the tank, the sides have all been machine polished and coated, again, Ultra Exo V5, so that'll do him really, really well for the next 9 years. Hopefully he keeps the bike that long. But have a look around the cars and let me know what you think.
So on the YouTube channel of late, if you haven't already seen, we've been talking about different colours of wheels. Silver, silver versus black, black versus silver, neodymium, that sort of stuff. Now, one of the things we do a lot of here is mail order. Now, this customer reached out and said, look, I'm really after some white MW4s. Can you do it? Well, yes, of course we can. We've actually done a set of MW10s in white 20-inch all the way around on a new M2. It looks amazing. So, of course, this customer, I believe he has a Zandvoort blue M2, but unfortunately they're going out for mail order. So Alex had a reach out with the customer and said, look, can we get some content? Can we fit into our car just for some pictures and videos? And we were a bit unsure how it's going to look. Now, I'll let you comment down below what you think of the look. I think it looks absolutely stunning.
So the main feature of this week's vlog then is this awesome Mark 8 Golf GTI. We've had the car in a couple of times before. First time round was the Maxton kit, which completely changed the look of the car. We then proceeded to see it in for the Eibach Lowering springs to sort the stance out, and we also fitted some wheels previously to it. But the whole point of this visit round was to make the car ready for summer, and we've done that with the assistance of the 20-inch MW10s in the frozen gold. Now, this isn't a finish we've done before or a size we've done before. Normally on the hot hatch platforms we do 19-inch because the MW1 fits to that spec, but with the wide range of fitments we have on the MW10 available to us, we've managed to do 20-inch and it looks absolutely awesome. With the help of the Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss, there's no better way to prep for summer. The car's also fitted with a Remus Race, so I'm going to let Jay show you around the wheels and we're going to take a listen to it prior to letting the customer go off and enjoy summer.